So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and you can essentially factory reset your Fitbit. Now, doing this is actually fairly basic and it really does not take too much time at all. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and power on your Fitbit. And then you want to click on the side button right here for your Fitbit Sense 2. And you want to go ahead and get into your settings. So hop inside of your settings portion right here. And then what you want to do is you want to basically scroll all the way down until you see this option right here that says About Sense 2. So click on that, click on About Sense 2, and you're going to see a lot of stuff come up basically right here. What we want to do is we want to basically scroll down until we see this little option right here that says Factory Reset. So what we want to do is we want to click on Factory Reset right here, and it's going to ask us if we want to confirm our factory reset. So what we're going to want to do here is we want to go ahead and click on yes, but understand that when you click on yes, it's going to clear all your personal data, it's going to clear all your applications, and it's telling us that it cannot be undone. So keep that in mind. That's a pretty big thing to delete everything off your watch. So make sure there's nothing on here that you need. And then what you can do is you can go through and click on yes. So click on yes, and what's going to happen here is it's going to completely basically just start resetting your particular watch. So it's going to take a little bit of time, and you'll see that for the most part, your watch will eventually just turn back on. It'll have the Fitbit logo, and it will go ahead and basically clear everything off your Fitbit. So it takes a little bit of time, but that's essentially how you go ahead and do it for the most part. So if you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.